In this lecture, we are going to see the importance of existence of H1 and H2 tags in your post. H1 and H2 tags are nothing but heading tags. Before learning how to insert H1 and H2 tags in your post, let me show you or let me make you understand the importance of H1 and H2 tags in search engine rankings. The average usage of H2 tags has increased by around 4 to 5% in 2016 from second search result to the 30th one. Also, you can see that the percentage of usage of these H2 and even H1 tags is increasing gradually from the 30th search result to the second one. Almost 70 to 80% of top 20 pages are optimized with the existence of H1 headings. So it has become a prerequisite for a good ranking. In recent 2016 research data, the proportion of landing pages with a H1 in the source code has risen for almost all search positions compared with last year. The interesting part in this year's research is the correlation factor itself. It is 10% for existence of H1 and just 1% for existence of H2. Google has diverted its importance from existence of H2 in 2015 to existence of H1 in 2016. Even then, the existence of H2 in top 10 search results has increased from 74% in 2015 to 77% in 2016. And you can clearly see that not all top URLs use H2 headings in their content, such as from 8th to 10th. So, if you add more H2 headings in your content, it will give competitive advantage to your web pages. This doesn't mean you have to stuff H2 headings. Add it wherever it's appropriate. It should make your content easy to read and navigate for your users, thereby improving the overall user experience too. If you still want an absolute number to follow, I would suggest one H2 heading for every 150 to 200 words. Now let's see how we can add H1 and H2 tags in your post. Unlike meta descriptions or other technical SEO factors, you don't need a separate plugin to insert these heading tags. For a bunch of paragraphs, add a consolidated title or a heading like this and then select the text. Then press toolbar toggle and give or assign it as heading 1 and heading 2 or subheadings like heading 3 or heading 4, etc. But I do recommend to keep only one heading 1 in your entire post, and you can assign multiple heading 2 and heading 3 tags to several other headings. Generally, most themes make the title as heading 1, else just give only one heading 1 in your post. These tags will inform the search engine that this is heading 3 tag or this is H2 tag, etc. You can even verify it by going to the text mode, and you can see that AMD AM4 socket finalized title is surrounded by H1 tags in the front and back. This will say to the search engine that this title belongs to a heading 1 tag. Also, you might have wondered that the percentage of existence is increasing gradually from the 30th search result to the second one. But why there is a sudden drop always in the first search result, even in H2 or H1? Along with the answer to this question, I will also make you realize the importance of H1 and H2 heading tags, meta descriptions, in terms of user experience in your site. Let's see that in the next lecture.